Hello, I am Bhagyashri and I'm here to share few things about myself. So let's go. So the first question here is, what is my nickname? So my nickname is Rutuja. My parents call me by this name, Rutuja. So yes, my family members, my relatives know me by name as Rutuja. Question is profession. Currently I am into the television industry and I am working in television serials, both Hindi and Marathi. So at present I'm working on Star Pravahas सांग तू आहेस का serial, Marathi serial, and also Zee TV's क्यों रिश्तों में कट्टी पट्टी. Keep watching. Question is education. Okay. So I have completed masters in mass communication and journalism. So yes, before entering into the television industry, I have worked as a journalist in print media, in digital media. Yeah. Date of birth. My date of birth is 1st August, and I'm not going to tell you my birth year because, well, keep guessing. School name. I miss my school. Okay, the name of my school is National Education Society High School, which is in Bhandup. We call it as NES High School. Hobbies. I love to dance, I love to sing, I love to draw, I love to sketch, I love to paint. Yeah, these are my hobbies. Favorite food. Oh my god. Can't name one single dish. I love pav bhaji, I love Chinese food, I love chicken biryani, I love chaat. But summing up to one, my most favorite would be pav bhaji, cheese pav bhaji. Okay. Favorite actor and actress. Okay, favorite actor would be, there are many actually, but at present my favorite actor, actually all-time favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, and actress is Kareena Kapoor Khan, Kangana Ranaut. In the Hindi industry, obviously, and in Marathi, I have my favorite actor Sachin Khedekar sir, and many more. आता एवढेच सुचतायत मला. So favorite film, my all-time favorite film is कुछ कुछ होता है. I don't know why I like that film, but I love the songs. I'm watching since I don't even remember how young I was. Right from school I'm watching, and I love Anjali. I love Anjali in that movie. TV shows, my favorite TV shows. I don't know if you guys remember. There was a show. That's one. That's So Raven. Then there was this show Dil Mil Gaye on Star One channel. Then this show is my favorite. Comedy Express. Yeah, it is Marathi comedy show. That is my favorite show. Comedy Chi Bullet Train or Comedy Express, I don't remember the name. Singer, my favorite singer is Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal, Sunidhi Chauhan, also Neha Kakkar, Alka Yagnik. She's my all-time favorite. Color, my favorite color is peach color. Desert, gulab jam, modak, puranpuri, jalebi. I'm a desert person. I love to eat sweet. I love pastries, I love cakes, I love chocolates. I love everything which is sweet. Dessert, also I love McDonald's ice cream. Which one yaar? Walnut brownie. I love that one. Sports, I love cricket. Song, my current favorite song is, my all-time favorite song is Chand Tare Tod Lao. That is my all-time favorite song. And my current favorite song would be Janisar hai Janisar. That one. Okay, I hope I am not that bad at singing. The next question is, what is my daily routine? Okay, most of the days I'm shooting, so I get up, I run to shoot, then come back and I just sleep. And if I'm not shooting, then I'm either sleeping or doing self-pampering things like skincare or shooting YouTube videos, playing with my cats, having food, lots of food, having rest, and many more things. So yeah, that's it. Then when you started acting career, I think right now my acting career has begun because I have been struggling from maybe 2 years. I am constantly giving auditions, and also, okay, before this I was doing a job as a journalist, and simultaneously I was giving auditions because I wanted to enter this industry. So I think my acting career has just begun. So please, I need your good wishes and good luck. Which is the best, Insta or WhatsApp? Why? So actually the thing is, I have noted down the questions in my laptop and I'm reading out the questions because there are many questions. So yeah. So which is best, Instagram or WhatsApp? Both of them, because they have different rules. WhatsApp, we stay connected with our people, we talk, we chat, and on Instagram we share our pictures, we share our whatever we feel on a social media platform, which is Instagram. And we also get to learn a lot from Instagram, like DIY makeup, the fashion tips and all stuff. So yeah, both of them are different in their ways. Is it easier to play the character which I'm playing right now? Basically, it is not easy to play the character which I'm playing right now, because the character which I'm playing is Dipti. She is very bubblish, she's very soft, she's very energetic, always. Okay, she is always energetic, she's always enthusiastic, and I'm not someone who is always yay sort of girl. Obviously we are no one else. So, and also at the same time, when I'm playing the character, I am also working on my diction skills. Even that is challenging for me because yes, I really need to work hard on my diction and on my acting skills and everything. So yes, it is not easy right now for me to play the character which I'm playing right now, because I'm playing the character of a 20 to 22 year old girl, and I'm not that young. You can keep guessing my age, whatever. What do you love about this character? I love everything about Dipti because she is the energy of this serial, I would say. She is the positive, the bubblish kind of girl in the family, the fun part. So yeah, I love this side of her. When did you first perform? I was very small actually. During school days, I have this thing that I would like to share with you. Okay, so I was maybe 3 to 4 years old. And my parents, they took me to movie, and it was Urmila Matondkar's, right, Urmila Matondkar's song, Yai Re, Yai Re, Yai Re, Yai Re. That song was being played in that movie, Rangila movie, and I started dancing there in the theatre. And that was the day when my mother thought that yes, she's going here. But yeah, that was when I started dancing or moving along. But when did you first perform? I think I was in school, I don't even remember. But yeah. Favorite co-star? Fortunately, with a great pride, I would like to tell you all that every co-star that I've worked with was humble, was giving, supportive, and very very loving in nature. So I cannot choose one. Everyone like Harshad, Madhura Joshi, Manjusha Godse, Pradnya Tai, Avinash Narkar sir. These all people were in my first project. Gautami, okay, and now, oh God, everyone is just like they are so beautiful in and out. Um, Disha Tai, she is gem. I love her. Then Pooja Katurde, the people who are with whom I am working right now. Everyone, the whole team is supportive, right from the director to Spot Dada. Everyone is just amazing. I really want to thank each and everyone if I can. Every single time I am grateful to work with every single person that I'm working with right now. What? Yeah. Then happiest moment in your life. Okay. Happiest moment in my life was when I signed my first serial, because that day I realized that no matter how hard you try, or no matter what you're facing in your life, the effort that you're putting in, it pays off. Someday it will pay back. So happiest moment in your life was when I signed my first serial, Sare Tujhyaसाठी. And that day, like when I signed the contract, that day was the marriage anniversary, the anniversary of my parents, and I cannot forget that day or that moment, because yeah, it will always be special. Which app you use most? I use Instagram and WhatsApp, both of them. So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for this moment. This is my first interview where I'm sharing few details about me, about my life. So thanks to you, and I'm really sorry for delaying this, and take care.